second second up, Race and Rescue diecast that I'll be reviewing out of the whole squad from the main line, which I still have like couple more. I'm still missing Mater, which is willing to be, I guess, the rarest one out of the bunch. Could have wished they actually made like Flo, Fillmore. Like they were seen actually in the book, but they never make it into diecast. How unfortunate. I mean, anyway, so here we have is Race and Rescue Lightning McQueen. Just, I have seen a review of this guy, which he pretty much actually compare it to the previous, which is almost pretty much like a reskin of the Lightning McQueen Deputy Hazard because of the light bar which they just changed into a different color. I know there's also another wave of this coming up, 2026, which from the yellow they changed it into lime green with a checkered board pattern. It's kind of nice, and also like some sort of a, am I right? 5-pack that would be that's already available with like some accessories, which is an accessory 5-pack. That's what it's called. New for 2025. So this is actually still when the cars were still used to be made in Thailand. Radiator Springs Race and Rescue logo. You can see right there, Disney Pixar cars. I just hope the new packaging style would still refrain all the way up to next year or so, 2027. So I guess supposedly this guy should be one of my very first Race and Rescue cars that I'm gonna be reviewing, but turns out it was actually Cruz and Cal. If you want to see the reviews of those, it would be actually, believe it or not, I have uploaded it like a couple months ago or so. Once again, another copy and paste of Cars 3 Lightning McQueen's artwork, which they just slapped on the Race and Rescue decals and then add on with the light bar on the roof. These are actually maybe, I guess, mainly featured on the first wave. All they're saying like Sarge would be out soon, which is instead of like holding the catch can, which is in reference to the pit crew member Sarge, Cars 1, instead of the catch can, he's holding a fire extinguisher, which is kind of nice. Chick Hicks, which one of the first ones that I have reviewed, after taking a break from the Glow Racers. Eventually, this video is supposed to be the review on Max Schnell GRC. Turns out it got postponed again. There's Mater. Stock images, by the way, for these cars. Still yet, I hope I can find Mater soon. Surely it's not that hard to find. It's like already past mainly the 20th anniversary of the first Cars film. Why am I not even reviewing any like race to celebrate or Cars 20th anniversary cars? But I will soon once I get over with these mainly like my Christmas haul cars and some other other extras like Tokyo Mater vehicles that still did not manage to review. Second and foremost, Oop. So can get my video schedule very fixed. Surely I might be able to be either reviewing a Race and Rescue, Glow Racer, or Tokyo Mater maybe, if I'm not able to put the GRC Max Snell video out just yet. I know I'm supposedly comparing this side by side with the Lightning McQueen Deputy Hazard, which is another Lightning McQueen with the light bar. The first one willing to be is Lieutenant Detective Lightning McQueen, which is not really as seen from the movie, but cartoons, Mater's Tall Tales short, Mater Private Eye. So I'm gonna skip that along for now, and then I'm just gonna proceed on pretty much some major McQueens that I have that are not really that closely similar, but this variant is slightly similar due to like its doodads, like stuff on the roof rack, even like the lights on the roof rack though. Cryptid Buster McQueen, it's not that similar, but it's not. Also, by the way, the next wave of these Race and Rescue, they're already made in China. New China era, actually. Then here comes On the Road McQueen, not from the IV3 pack. Exclusively to Amazon. Still not, I guess, done with my Christmas and slash, like, I guess, birthday haul video, which I hope sooner than ever I would be able to put those videos out. Cars 1 McQueen. Mine is all chipped up. This is actually the rubber tire variant of McQueen. I need to move this. My background's a bit dark for some reason. Might adjust my... Okay, so... Not really focusing all that well, but hopefully you can guys still see the anyway, last comparison before we oh man, my McQueen is very beat up and all chipped up. I'm gonna be needing a replacement for this. Last but not the least is it's actually the 155 scale version of the Lightning McQueen the police badge of the Lieutenant Detective Lightning McQueen, which is based on the Cars 2 World Grand Prix McQueen. Not really that accurate, but in comparison with the light bars on the roof, not all that similar since this light bar is a bit curved. This one's more on straightened. Supposedly the cars that I'm also needing to be comparing with this specific diecast is Carnival Cup McQueen and some others. Looks like I pretty much covered in pretty much all in one video. I know from that one video that I have first watched with the Race and Rescue mainline cars, I know there's also some prototypes of these guys, Mater, McQueen, and Cruz, along with the Rally Race 200 McQueen. Okay, so didn't mean to make this video just short. I'm still missing. What's really nice about that Mater, which I keep on mentioning earlier, because he has pretty much like that upgraded tow hook, which is a lot. They actually enlarged the tow hook, then much more improved modern. And as always, as usual, they actually use the brand new Mater model instead of the rusty brown sort of Mater that we all know now. So that's that. So I guess that's all I can say for this video, folks. I can see you again for another video, which would hopefully be on maybe Jersey Max Snail or some of the Tokyo Mater cars, or more Glow Racers, I guess. So see you soon for another video. So this is as a Pixar Cars fan saying peace.